Hey yo web traveler, welcome to this opening. Today we're opening Senpai Goddess Heaven, second set I believe, because look at that. Look at that, there's Namato Jojo, for fuck's sake. I need to calm down my cat. Oh my god, he's going crazy. While I open this plastic, you may hear that I don't sound very well. And you're correct, because I got sick. But I'm so hyped to open this box that I'm doing this while sick. So sorry if my voice sounds like crap. I mean, more crap than it usually sounds. He just found another shit to make a sound with. You ass. Everything that makes a lot of sound is now out of the room. I don't mind him playing at the background, but it doesn't need to be like this loud. So yes, senpai, let's go. That's me. I'm your senpai. Let's get it. Senpai. Let's see the quality of this box. I see some blue, and is this the special one? I think it is, right? Because okay, starting with SSR and big potential. Let me just say that. That's from Fate. Altar. Very nice. The shine is cool. This is nice. So far, only with this card only. I'm very pleased. Let's see what we can get. I don't fucking know if that's correct, but yes, very nice. I know how this character looks like, and it's a nice character. It is a bikini pack. Okay, we are starting early this year. Ooh, that's a good starfish right there. God damn, my man. Okay, Kokoro. Showing that ass. Oh, an ultra rare. So this one was a special? Although I'm not... It's a cool character to get, don't get me wrong, but there's not really that much difference between the SSR and Ultra Rare, so it doesn't feel really special. So guys, if you want to order this box, go to the video description if you order from that seller, and you write them a message after your order saying code tcgcomrade, you will get one free promo pack added to your order. And don't forget, if there's already one promo pack listing with this box, after using these codes, it will mean that you will get 2 promo packs. But just remind that to the seller, because I have a feeling sometimes they forget. My cat was sleeping the whole freaking day, and as soon as I turn my cam on, he's like the most freaking aggressive, active cat in the world. Like, bruh, come on. Okay, that's a big booba contest again, with with some bikini cards. Okay, very nice, very nice. Pira, okay, looking hella big, I would say. That's for sure. Yes. Natsuha, whatever you are, I don't know. I don't know many of these girls. I do not know. And then we have an ultra rare Anastasia. So far, each pack contains a rare card in it. I like it. I like that a lot. Okay. I believe this is the first double already. One is not a problem. Jesus. Hey, that's Fate. I like that. That's Ram. That I also do like. God damn. What are you doing there with your hand? Holy shit. Like, why? That must feel uncomfortable. But what the fuck do I know? Holy shit, that's a bikini, goddamn. How many extras do you need? Like, if you're gonna take one swim, you're just fucked. Everything will come off. I mean, we're supposed to see something more epic. Yes, this beautiful as we have seen. Okay, this is actually a very nice character design. How about that? Okay, and we have Texas. Jesus, I can't freaking speak. Nice bikini. Ultra rare. I mean, so far it looks nice. Only the ultra rare is the same as SSR essentially for me. So that's a shame. But the SSRs are nice and the quality is great. So guys, if you want to support the channel, obviously you can subscribe. And yeah, go check out the seller. Use the code. So maybe I can get some new stuff for you to show. Ooh, yeah, boy, we have something special. We have something special. Let's go. Okay, I don't really like this one. Okay, sure, America, let's go. Damn, this gun though. Is it a gun? That looks like a gun. And then it's just a katana. Like, what the fuck is this as a weapon? Sure. Oh, nice, nice. I love this one. Very good. Thank you so much for the... What? Okay, that's an angle I didn't expect to see. Holy shit, it's definitely fire. LSP. Okay, well now I see some special details added to the card, so now it feels a little bit more special than just the usual SSI and Ultra. Oh damn, look at this Dark Magician go. That's a pleasant surprise, what can I say? And this is also a very big surprise. Okay, nice water gun. Hey, nice, Nakan Miku. How about Nino? How about my best waifu there? Oh, how about Rin Tosaka? Ooh, I've seen some fade, so there's a chance. There's a chance. We will never know. Unless we pull her. That's some awkward bikini, yo. Okay, I think this bikini alone definitely needs a spot right there. Not only is it not that much covered, but she's just, you know what, I don't need that piece. I'm just gonna pull it off. So yeah, that's the reason why it stays there. Let's see if we have some special card again. We do. Is it again an LSP? I see 3 watermelons. Very nice. Okay, I really like the detail there. very nice detail. Just some character on the background. Almost not see book. Holy shit! Boy, girl, whatever, who is watching, everything in between. What are those? That would probably be definitely the most big booba of the pack. So if that's the most revealing bikini, then that's the most booba. Goddamn. Hey, nice. Another Kaguya character. And we have Espe. That's another difficulty. And sadly, she's not in bikini, but that's a very nice character nonetheless. So what is the back difference? Oh, this one has another colors. Very cool, very nice. Very beautiful shine. Like the execution of cards is pretty nice. I've seen wars, and character choices are also not bad. I like it. Not that much doubles. So far, this box is pretty good. Okay, we're back to ultra rare, but doesn't matter because there's probably a lot of characters to see. So very nice. We haven't seen this one. Okay, cool. Not only we have we have small booba, we have big booba. See, that's very interesting. I don't know what to say, man. I see only one thing in these cards, and that's the bikini. It's difficult to comment on that because yeah, let's go. Every time I pull a card, it's just, hey, that's a nice bikini. It is possible. Let's go! Cavamarin. That's a bikini also, so that's nice. Oh, well, you can see her face like there, close up. Oh, Mai also had that. Okay, cool. Why doesn't she have that, but with her ass? Jojo also wants to see some waifus. Is there a particular waifu that you want to choose between these 6, Jojo? Who do you like? Make your choice. What is your choice? I don't think he is interested in waifus. Yeah, can I continue, Jojo? You don't pick any of them? Okay, no, whatever, yo, you fucking weirdo. Like, how can you? Okay. He is more interesting in the packaging, obviously. Because that's something that he can play with. I mean, all of us would have played with Kitagawa Myron, but that's for another time. Okay, now we have a lot of doubles. This one is not, so that's nice. I think he chose her. I respect it, my man. You're a small kitten, but you already have a taste. I like that about you. Don't you fucking dare. Niet. Niet, Jojo. Sometimes he's just like searching for the boundaries. Like he knows he is not allowed to do something, but then maybe today is the day that I'm allowed to do this. Oh, we have seen her. Okay, probably the only quintessential sister that we've seen. Of that we will see. Okay, yeah, we've seen a lot of those, and an ultra rare. I mean, nothing special for me there, but whatever. Let's see. We have already 3 very nice drops. I mean pulls. So maybe there's a 4th one. I don't remember this one. I don't think we pulled her. That's a little bit weird looking. Like it's anime but another style, I guess. Like her eyes. I can dig that, whatever. We have here also an ultra rare. That's a like sad part, I guess. I now know that I have an ultra rare, so the hype isn't there. What the fuck are you doing? Stop, Jojo. Okay, my cat just got escorted by my wife because he was being an asshole, chewing on the cables, although he knows very good that he is not supposed to. So Jojo will not return in the video. At least that's what I think, because the door is closed. Yes, and nice ultra rare. I left this one. We have 3 packs left. Let's see if we can pull something good again. Maybe Rintoska card. I mean, that would be just freaking amazing. How about that? I don't care about any of those. Okay, I do care about this one. See if the freaking pack knew how to silence me. That's actually a very nice ultra rare. And on the quality speaking, this picture is way better than other ultra rares. Okay, some nice doubles. Okay, that's Mystery Heroine. Very nice. So the last pack, it's an ultra rare, sadly. So we have 3 hits in one box, which is pretty good. But I hoped for 4. And double. Double, I think at this point a lot of them are gonna be double. That's a not bad one to get. And she's also putting her bikini away. Like, who needs it anyway? You can just run naked. Okay, I actually enjoyed this box. Thank you guys for all your support, I appreciate it. And I see you in another one, web travelers. Hopefully where I'm not sick.